All right, y'all, I'm about to cook that brisket. HEB Prime, got some of the best briskets. Look at that price though, $58 for a prime brisket, unheard of. 14 pounder, $3.99 a pound. Big boy, we're about to get that thing seasoned. We're actually about to get it marinated up, and then we're gonna put it in the pit tomorrow, so y'all stay tuned. That's a big boy right there. And we're gonna use some of this mesquite marinade on that brisket. Yeah. Got that thing marinate. Now, usually I don't marinate no briskets. I like Claude's. I use it a lot. They have good fajita mix, fajita marinade. So I'm gonna try this right here on this brisket. It smells really good. So that's what she's looking like right now, face down. Catch y'all in a few hours. All right, guys, we up and at it. It's time to get that brisket rolling. I didn't show y'all me seasoning brisket. I mean, I got videos seasoning brisket already. I mean, you know, salt and pepper, that's really all you need. But anyway, let me show y'all what we got going on. Hold on. All right, y'all. We got that wood stoked up, ready to roll. Got that fine, it's a 15-pound prime brisket. That girl ready to go. Got some of that party dust on there, salt, pepper, you know, the basics. Got some local guys wood down here in Texas, Big John. Got some of that hickory. And we got some of that pecan, man. And we just chilling, man, poolside with it. Yeah, waterfalls and all. Waterfalls and briskets, baby. Yes, sir. All right, so like I say, we out here cooking that brisket, man. Ain't nothing more Texas than getting up in the morning, cooking brisket, man. Y'all stay tuned. We got a few more videos coming, man. I know I've been lacking on the videos. I'm gonna get better, man. Just been super busy, so yeah. Y'all keep rocking with your boy, man. Good morning. And right now we're rolling product about 250. Partner down here in Texas got him a little stick burner, you know. So we're gonna put that thing to work. Yes, sir. All right, y'all, we about 2 hours in. See our temp has dropped a little bit. We ain't worried about that. Let's take a look at it. Oh yeah, still looking good. A little moisture popping off. Probably need to stoke our fire. I ain't been out here in a minute. Yeah, look at that. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna drop a big boy in here. Put it on the tips. Just gonna let that thing ride out. Stay tuned. All right, y'all. Got a few sticks of hickory in there. Big old log of that pecan in there. We're just gonna let it roll. We got the firebox open wide over here to get some airflow. And before you know it, man, we be burning out some good coals. So that's how it is. Smokestack of smoking. Stay tuned. Got our temp back up about 250. Brisket looking good. I'm gonna take a little bit of this and kind of mop the brisket with it a little bit. Keep it nice and wet. Let it run off a little bit. All right. Back to the cooking we go. Stay tuned. All right, guys. We are now going to take the brisket and do a little wrap job on it real quick. We ain't gonna leave it out here too long. And now we're gonna introduce a big old turkey breast, y'all. Man, you can, this thing is ginormous. You can never see no turkey breast this big by itself in Georgia. So we're gonna put that on there. Y'all stay tuned. All right, guys, like I said, we got that turkey breast on there now. Yes, sir. See it in about 2 hours and some change. Stay tuned. All right, guys, back out here to check the turkey breast. Still looking good. We're gonna let this roll for probably about 2 hours. I'm gonna wrap that thing up with some butter, and she'll be good to go. We're running hickory and pecan on this thing. Y'all stay tuned. All right, guys, and before I forget, when you're doing that turkey, man, make sure you keep it nice and juicy, nice and moist on the outside. If you got some olive oil cooking spray or a little butter spray or whatever, make sure you hit it up a few times, man. Keep it nice and moist, man. I brine this one overnight, so I ain't worried about it drying out. But you also want to make sure that skin is nice and juicy. Keep it nice and crispy so we get a nice crispy crust. All right. So we're an hour and a half in. We're about, maybe about 220, something like that. I want y'all to see the color of that thing already. Look at that. Look how that color coming in nice and pretty. Huh? Look at that. That thing pretty, man. I'm gonna rotate it though. I don't want this side to get more heat than the next side. But y'all stay tuned. All right, y'all. Time to check the turkey breast. Moving slow, man. It's like 100 degrees out here in Texas. But let me show y'all what I got set up so far. All right. I got my butter. As you can see, I ain't even had to melt it. Nature melted it for me. I got my butter right there. Because I'm going to wrap it up with butter. Let me move my cup out the way. Gotta have that too. That's some good libation. But look at my color on that thing now. Pretty. So I'm gonna go ahead and wrap that girl up. She's been on here about 2 hours and 15 minutes. Let me show y'all something. Nice and juicy. See that? Yeah. You gotta brown your turkey breast overnight, man. So let's get that boy wrapped up. All right, guys, we're ready to wrap it up. As you can see, I got my butter down in the bottom. Got some up top. We're gonna take a little shot glass and just moisten the top a little bit. And let's wrap it up. All right, got that thing wrapped up. And to make sure we don't lose any of that good butter, we're gonna leave it on the foil pan and back in the pit it goes. Yes, sir. Stay tuned. All right, y'all. And about 3 hours later, let's see what we got. We still at about 200 some degrees. I kind of got a nice blue smoke. And she wrapped up. But look at all that juju that came out of it. How it got out of it, I don't know. But I brined it. So look at all that juju. So I'm gonna take it in the house, let y'all see what it look like. Stay tuned. And one word, succulent. Look at that thing. Look at all that juju. Butter and brine. Look at that. Yes, sir.
That's all it is.
America, we already cut that turkey, but I'm gonna show y'all something. When you hit it, it's brine good, it's got good seasoning, but I'm gonna still hit it with a little bit of this smoked sea salt right on top. But when I tell y'all, I'm gonna do it with one hand. I'm gonna cut that thing with one hand. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that thing cut, man. Come on, man. What y'all gonna do with that, man? Look at that. Look at that. I can't get the thing. Let me see. Look at that. And you come over and run it in them jujus, man. Vito, that's you, man. Look at that, man.
They gonna let it go away now.
Come on, man. Look at that, man. Your grandma turkey ain't never tasted like that, man.
Sir.
Yes, sir. And get y'all some of that Marlin sea salt to finish it off. Yes, sir. Brisket game. Brisket ready. If you can push in it like that, you ain't even gotta temp it. That thing ready. Yes, sir. And smoke salt. All right, guys. Good morning from Texas. Different location in Texas. As you can see, we got some donkeys back there. Got a few cows back there. Yeah. Whole situation going on. But anyway, breakfast. This is breakfast. Country blend. And the Opa chicken. Opa chicken with chicken thighs, flabanos. These right here are really good. And they're going on this little grill they got here at the Airbnb. All those that have Airbnbs, can we please get some charcoal grills? I'm tired of this gas shit. But anyway, y'all stay tuned. Yeah, boy. All right, we're rolling, man. Got them boys dressed right, dressed on the grill. Got that coffee popping. See y'all in a minute. Look at that cheese bubbling up out of there. Yes, sir. We cooking, y'all. Look at them cheese. Good old butter tortillas, y'all. Yeah, let's slap a few of those on the grill. It's a Texas breakfast, baby. Sausage stuff with that guacamole.
The kids was coming in.
All right, guys, we got them ribs seasoned up, ready to go. And we're cutting some steaks, y'all. Got a few cut already. And we ain't talking about no little boy steaks either. Yeah, that's about 1.5 inches. Yeah. It's about to go down, man. Got that big boy from Costco? Yes, sir. All right, and just like that, We got them cut. I'm talking about some big boys, man. Cook them up, and then we're gonna cut them on the bias. A little chimichurri. Yes, sir. Hmm?
Hi.
Hello.
What are you doing?
Making some macaroni and cheese. You want it?
That's not macaroni and cheese.
That's macaroni and cheese.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
No, it's not.
It's the new kind. It's what KFC served now. It's the new macaroni and cheese. I'm making chimichurri. You know what that is?
No.
Fire pit time, y'all. We got a fire now, folks. Yes, sir. Y'all see it? I ain't even waiting on the coals. We just cooking. Yes, sir. Slow motion is the potion, y'all.
To the table, and it was $50 for the 2 bottles of wine. Well, if you don't,
Slow motion is the potion. Y'all see what that meat looking like. Over them open coals, over the open flame. Look at that. Nice and pretty. Look at that color. Nice and pretty. I'm gonna go ahead and flip that thing. Look at that. Oh, yes, sir. Let's see what this one looking like. Look at that. Look at that pretty mahogany color. Yes, sir. Y'all, it's time for a chef's treat. These are the end pieces that come off the inside of that rib. Not end pieces, but they come off this portion of the rib right here. I usually cook them up. Put a little bit of smoked sea salt on them. Oh boy, you talking about some good eating? Yes, sir. Nice little bed of coals. That beautiful meat. Yes, sir. All right, y'all. Now it's time to hunt. We in the blind. Got the AR-12 shotgun right here. And waiting on them hogs to come out. Stay tuned. Deep in the heart of Texas, baby. Yes, sir. All right, y'all. Just like that, meat on the ground. Meat on the ground, baby.
Another one. Another one.
Is it? Meat on the ground. I don't know if y'all can see it. It's right. It's down right there. Right there. Hit him, Brian. Hit him. Go stalk him, V. He hit. You hit him.
the hell? What did I hit? And when he hopped in, he hit the gas, and I had the parking brake on. He hit it so hard that the parking brake ain't do nothing. We went flying down the hill, man. Woo! Now he went up here and down.
I was about to say, oh, y'all see a lot.
I didn't think he was running very far if he took that.
There you go. Oh, that's a nice sized boy right there. He didn't. I told you hit him twice, V.
And you know what? I saw him go down. I
Oh,
didn't
that's a
see
sow.
him lay down. I
Yep.
thought he crossed over the hill when I didn't see him.
Oh, she-
Nah, when I saw what you shooting, I didn't think he had gone very far. Now, if y'all had been here 2 days ago,
Yeah.
I caught a 217 pounder in the trap. And that sumbitch was meaner than shit.
Damn. Hanging. Got hanging meat. Say me though. Hanging meat. Look at that. Blood and guts. You don't need to see that though. Hanging meat. Mr. Caleb knocked him on out the pod. 3-minute clean. Hanging meat. Out deep in the heart of Texas, baby. And right there, Alejandro. One shot, one kill.
That's what we do.
Right here with the AR-12. Put that thing down like nobody's business. Yes, sir. Y'all come see the folks at Langley down here in Centerville, Texas. In and out. No sitting around getting hot, dehydrating.
Put you on them hogs.
Put you on them hogs.